Hey guys, my name's Michael, and today we're going to discuss how to install and activate your new DIY home security system from NWAS. We'll also provide some tips and troubleshooting to help get your system up and running quickly. Here at NWAS, we know that your security system relies on three key parts: equipment, monitoring, and support. With over 35 years of experience, our veteran-owned company always acts in the best interest of our customers. The first key component of your security system is the equipment. Our equipment is designed, engineered, and manufactured right here in the United States. It also boasts some of the highest grade military features available on the market, including high-frequency wireless technology, redundant communication methods, and smash and grab protection. This is hands down the most secure system available to the general public. The second key component of your security system is the monitoring. NWAS owns and operates a private monitoring station that is staffed 24/7, 365. This means that your account and personal information are under the supervision of our trained and certified staff. Remember, your security system is only as good as the monitoring. The third key component of your security system is support. Our support staff is ready to help every step of the way. You have access to our online resource center, which is full of information on installation, troubleshooting, and account management. DIY doesn't mean you have to do it alone. Next, we'll show you how to install and set up your home security system. For a successful installation, here are some of the items that you will need: cleaning wipes, measuring tape, a flathead screwdriver, and a hammer. A typical installation will take around 30 minutes to complete. Please refer to this installation video for an overview of the process. We'll start with the keypad. First, you'll need to connect the battery. To do this, remove the keypad's backplate by pressing the tab, plug in the battery, and replace the backplate. Second, we'll install the desk stand legs. Insert one leg into the holes on the back of the keypad, slide the leg upward until the leg firmly snaps into place, and repeat to install the second leg. Third, we'll power the keypad. Plug the micro USB end of the cable into the back of the keypad. Insert the cable through the strain relief on the transformer. Plug the other end of the cable into the transformer. Plug the transformer into a 120 VAC dedicated outlet. Next, we'll connect your keypad to your Wi-Fi network. Using the touchscreen, select Keypad from the carousel menu. Press CMD until Menu No Yes displays. Select Yes. Enter your user code. Press CMD until Wi-Fi Setup displays and select it. In the Wi-Fi Setup menu, select List. Press CMD to cycle through available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network when it appears. Enter your Wi-Fi password, then press CMD. If the connection fails, move your keypad closer to your router and try again. Verify your network name and password are correct. Next, we'll install our security devices. To install door and window sensors, wipe down the surface of the door or window where the sensor will be installed. Remove the battery pull tab from the transmitter. Remove the double-sided tape from the back of the transmitter and place on the door or window frame. Remove the double-sided tape from the back of the magnet and place on the door or window, directly across from the transmitter, no more than a ½ inch apart. To install motion detectors, choose a location to mount the detector that is 5 to 8 feet high. The detector can be mounted in a corner or on a flat wall. Wipe down the surface of the wall where the detector will be installed. Remove the battery pull tab. Remove the double-sided tape from the back of the device and place in the desired location. Do not mount the device in direct sunlight or near a heat source with strong air drafts in the field of view. Next, we'll install your indoor siren. Choose a flat surface to mount the siren that is at least 4 feet away from the keypad. Wipe down the surface of the wall where the siren will be installed. Remove the battery pull tab. Remove the double-sided tape from the back of the device and place in the desired location. Next, we'll install the virtual keypad on your smartphone. Search for the virtual keypad app in the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android and install the app on your phone. Then, we'll create your app account. Open the virtual keypad app. The app will prompt you to allow notifications. We recommend selecting Allow. Enter the same email address you used when you purchased your system online. Enter the virtual keypad password listed below. The app will prompt you to update your password. We recommend selecting Set Password. Enter your new password and select Save. The app will prompt you to re-enter your login information using your new password. Select Agree to the terms and conditions. The app will then request permission to access your location. This is required for the geofencing feature. We recommend selecting Allow. Next, we'll connect to your system. Once you are logged into the app, a list of available systems will be displayed. Select your system. Enter your system user code. You may choose to save user code so the app remembers your code. Press the arrow to submit the code. Next, we'll activate your system. Once you have completed steps 1 through 10, you must call to activate your system. Our monitoring phone number is 800-535-1975. The monitoring team will activate your system and test it to ensure everything is working properly. Lastly, we'll install the signs and stickers. Fasten the sign to the stake with the screws using a flathead screwdriver, leaving 2 to 3 inches of the stake exposed above the sign. Select a location for the sign in your yard that avoids buried utilities. Push or hammer the sign into the ground. Place the black plastic cap on top of the exposed stake. Wipe clean the surfaces where you would like to mount a sticker. Peel the backing from the sticker and place it in the desired location. Congratulations! You have just installed an NWAS-approved DIY home security system. We look forward to providing you the protection and support that you need. For more information, please visit our resource center on our website. Once again, thank you for your business and welcome to the NWAS family.